Hi everyone, Joel here from Joel Hood Property. Thanks for tuning into the Sunshine Coast market wrap for the month of July. The real estate landscape has changed dramatically. We're definitely in a balanced market. The Sunshine Coast actually saw 10% more listings come on the market in the month of July than June, but a whopping 40% less sales in the month of July than June. So my tip for sellers is this is definitely going to be one of the more challenging real estate markets that we've seen since the GFC and 2016. So it's really important that you align yourself with an experienced agent that puts together a campaign that includes really good marketing, sales method, and presentation so everything is on point for the sale. My tip for buyers, in this type of market, it's very easy to become complacent. It's really important that you're in contact with rising interest rates with your broker regularly just to find out if that does change your borrowing capacity. And also don't forget, if a fixed rate is important to you, you really do need to buy sooner rather than later to probably lock in a lower rate than what you might see in 6 months' time. So wrapping up, a few key events on the Sunshine Coast in the month of August, well worth a look. The Sunshine Coast Marathon on the 13th and 14th of August at Alex Heads. There are events from marathon all the way down to 2K, and all funds do go back to the community and local charities. And there's also the Horizon Festival, which starts on August 26th, and there's events for 10 days right across the Sunshine Coast. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you do require any assistance buying or selling on the Sunshine Coast, please don't hesitate to contact me anytime. Otherwise, please keep an eye on our socials and we'll keep you up to date with what's happening.